How do we use the range breakout? The range breakout trigger monitors a specified range of price for a symbol, identifies the upper and lower limits during this period, and activates the trigger when either the upper or lower range is broken. We have multiple templates for the range breakout trigger. These templates are just configurations of range breakout trigger for easy setup. Note that you can change the configurations anytime based on your preference from Edit. Now, you can select any of the configurations. Once you click on Edit, you will see the types of ranges you can define. There are 4 types of range breakouts. 1. Date with time range breakout, previous N candles range breakout, previous time range breakout. For example, here we are creating a date range from the 28th of January from 10 a.m. to the 30th of January, 10 a.m. for Nifty. We want to create a trigger whenever a 1-minute candle close breaks above the upper price range of this date time range. Once we click on Apply, you can see that the node is configured. Other types of range include time, where you can define a time range from one time to another. You can also create a previous candle's range breakout. The candle's range breakout is a dynamic range breakout. In this case, the automation continuously monitors the upper and lower range of the previous 5-minute candles from the current candle. Whenever the current 1-minute candle close breaks the range of the previous 5-minute candles, the trigger will be activated. Similarly, for previous time range, the previous time range compared to the current 1-minute candle is continuously monitored. For example, in this case, 20 minutes. Once the current 1-minute candle close breaks above the previous 20 minutes upper price range, the trigger will be activated. This is how the range breakout trigger works. Let's recap. Range breakout trigger allows you to define a specific price range using time, date time, or previous candles, and automatically triggers the automation when the price breaks above or below that range. It continuously monitors the high and low of the selected range and activates the next step the moment a breakout occurs, making it suitable for momentum, opening range, and volatility-based strategies. Got questions on range breakout trigger? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.